Hi guys, my name is Tracelle. I'm an adult doll collector and I love all things 1/6 scale. I'm doing the boy doll collab with Irene, Hugh, Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse, and Dolls, Trolls, and More. They're the ones who host this and I'm going to participate. And this theme is Friendsgiving. And what I'm doing here is making me some silver trays. So I'm just using a square, something square that I can use, and some aluminum foil. You want to double that up and then sculpt it around this square shape so that you can get a 10. And then, yeah, we're going to go from there. Once you have your shape, I'm going to cut off the excess foil and then curl them up so it has a little handle, just like the tins that you purchase to make your real Thanksgiving meal. That's what I'm doing now. I'm just using some needles nose pliers to help me out. Now I'm just going to use some air dried clay. I got this on sale a while ago and I have a lot of it. It was only like a couple of dollars, but it's so much. That's what I'm going to use instead of my hot glue sticks. I'm going to use the hot glue to make my candied yams because I'm making a turkey, some mac and cheese, and some candied yams. And the mac and cheese and the turkey, I'm going to sculpt it with the air dried clay. Now look, if I can do this, anybody can do this. I just used a picture from something online. I just used it so I could see what the shape of what the turkey would be, and I went from there. It's not perfect, but to me I think it came out a little cute. So just watch me as I continue to sculpt this, and then I'll come on back when I get to the candy yams. Now moving on to the mac and cheese, I'm just adding a bunch of the air dried clay into the tin, and then I'll get it to the consistency that I want, and then just use like a tool to add some texture to kind of mimic the look of melted cheese. So I'll let you watch this, and then I'll come on back when I get to the candy yams. So now on to the candied yams. I'm just going to slice the glue sticks into little cups or little what do you like? You see, like I'm slicing them there to make like little chunks of the candied yams, and then I'll cut some of those in half, fill up my tin, and then I'm going to paint everything. So I'm gonna let you guys see that, and then I'll come on back when I get to the actual collaboration of showing my boy dolls and the whole scene. Now I'm just going to take some acrylic paint. I have black, some orange, yellow, and then some brown, and then some more like different shades of yellow along with a little bit of red. So, and some gloss Mod Podge. I'm going to mix that all up and paint. And I do want to mention that you want to let the air dry clay dry a little bit before you paint. I didn't know that, but you should, definitely do that. But yeah, I'm almost done, and then I'm going to dry brush everything just to make it look a little bit more realistic, and then we're all done. Okay, so here is how everything turned out. Here is the turkey. We have the candied yams. And then we also have here some mac and cheese along with some pies, cakes, and things, and sodas. Everything turned out pretty good. I'm really most proud of my turkey because I didn't have any idea what I was doing. But yeah, so thank you so much to Cynthia at Ambrosia's Dollhouse, Irene Hugh, and Dolls, Trolls, and More, I believe. I'm gonna have their names linked because they're the one hosting this boy doll collab with the things Friendsgiving. So yeah, if you did like the video, please give me a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more content, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. And until the next time, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.